Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Arcane Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Arcane Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
Shine your pennies.
To view our what to get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. Keep mixing until the salt is dissolved. There you have it.
Wow. Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa. Wow. Wasn't that incredible?
Yeah.
The science behind the experiment. Copper oxide dissolves in water, but it usually takes a long time. The combination of vinegar, which is a weak solution of acetic acid, and table salt, which is sodium chloride, helps to dissolve the copper oxide, and also forms the blue copper ion, which is soluble in water. The penny becomes shiny again.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.